In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable a phone column in ClickUp. ClickUp is a powerful project management tool designed to help you organize your tasks, teams, and workflows effectively. Whether you're tracking progress or managing team communications, customizing your workspace is key to staying efficient. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to add a dedicated phone column to your lists in ClickUp, so you can easily store and manage contact numbers within your tasks. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to www.clickup.com. Once you're there, log in using your email address and password, or you can use one of the supported social account options if that's your preference. Make sure you're logging into the correct ClickUp workspace. This is especially important if you're part of multiple teams or organizations. Once you're signed in, navigate to the specific space and folder that contain the list you want to work on. When you've located your list, open it to proceed. Now, switch your view to either list or table mode. This is important because these views allow you to see the column headers, which is where we'll be making changes. If you're not sure how to change views, look around the top of the screen for the layout options and select either list or table. Next, scroll all the way to the far right of the column header row. You should see a small plus icon or a button labeled Add Column. Click on it to open the menu for adding a new field. In the menu that pops up, either search for or scroll down until you find the field type labeled Phone. Once you've located it, select it to create a dedicated field specifically for phone numbers. Now it's time to name your new field. You can call it something descriptive like Phone, Mobile, or Contact Number, depending on your preference. Once you've chosen a name, confirm the creation of the new field. With the column set up, you can now click into any task within this new phone column and add a number. When entering phone numbers, don't forget to include the full number. If your contacts are from different countries, be sure to add the appropriate country code to ensure clarity. If you find that you're unable to modify fields or add the phone column, it's possible that your workspace permissions are restricted. In this case, you'll need to check with your workspace admin to get the necessary access. Finally, if you've added the column but it's not appearing in your view, double-check that no filters or layouts are hiding it. Adjust your settings as needed to make sure the column is visible. And that's it. You now have a fully functional phone column in your ClickUp list, making it easier to store and access contact numbers directly within your tasks. If you're new to ClickUp, you'll find a link in the description to sign up and get started today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.